Do you know you can earn passive income by sharing your view of the internet via your unused bandwidth? Your internet connection is so special. But why is your internet connection so special and why would people pay for it? Well, think about it like this. You know, when airlines want to see what their competitors are charging for plane tickets and they need to check websites from different places? That's where you come in, because every time you go online you have a unique IP address. It's just like your online fingerprint, and a bunch of what you see is based on your location and your IP address. And now you can earn grass points by allowing other people use your internet address to check stuff on the web. It's very easy. All you need to do is to sign up using the link in the description. In less than 1 minute you're up. Download the Grass extension, install it in your browser. If you're on PC, you can use your Chrome browser, your Firefox, any browser that supports extensions. If you're on mobile, you can use Mice's browser or Kiwi browser. These browsers support extensions. So once you install the extension, that's it. You don't need to do anything. As long as you're online, as you're browsing, your unused bandwidth is being shared and you earn grass points with it. It's not life-changing money right now, but it could be, because there's every likelihood that these grass points will be tokenized in the future. And if this project gets off the ground and becomes massively adopted, if it gains global adoption, the tokens might be worth so much in the future, and you will only have yourself to thank for getting in early and accumulating as many grass points as possible. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in the Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more grass updates, more crypto airdrops, tutorials, tips, and other earning opportunities. So keep accumulating your grass points. Stay safe. Now see you in the next video.